I'm going to share with you guys a few hashtag mistakes that you might be making on TikTok that are actually hurting your growth. Let's cue that intro, and while the intro is playing, comment below and let me know what your TikTok handle is. I'll catch you guys after the intro. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm also known as @the Mrs. Pedersen on TikTok. As I record this, I'm literally crossing 500,000 followers on TikTok, which I don't think is too bad for a mom of 3 over the age of 30 who lives in Minnesota. Pretty awesome. I'm excited to share with you guys some of the biggest hashtag mistakes that I see people making, and some of these are actually being advised by other TikTok experts. So be careful who you listen to. I personally recommend only listening to people who are growing, who are on the platform, showing up consistently, and we're gonna dive on into those hashtag mistakes that you probably are making on TikTok. Let's go for it. Oh, and by the way, guys, I have a really powerful bonus tip for the people who stay until the end. So make sure you stay until the end of this video. And yes, I'm gonna say it, hit subscribe, because I give free tutorials on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, being a social media manager, marketing, and business every single week. So hit that subscribe. All right, number 1, using too few of hashtags. I don't know who in the world is giving this advice, but there are some people who are giving advice that you should only use like 2 to 4 hashtags. 1000%, 1,000,000% disagree. That is not even close to true. You want to use up all of the hashtag space that you have. When you fill out your caption, use a very short amount of space for your caption if you need one, and then use the rest of the space for hashtags. My personal theory is that the reason people are anti lots of hashtags is because of perception. Like, let's all just show how cool we are and how we don't need that many hashtags to show up, but that doesn't actually work for most people. While that might work for some of the really popular creators, that doesn't work for every single person. And so it's actually really dangerous advice, because you're limiting your ability to grow by not using all of the space that you have for hashtags. TikTok hashtag mistake number 2 that you are making that is absolutely hurting your growth: using the hashtags FYP and For You page. Now, I know a lot of people are going to probably jump down my throat, but wait until you hear what I have to say. It's not that FYP or For You page are actually harmful. It's just that they're absolutely not beneficial at all. When the space that For You page or FYP take up could be replaced with some other hashtag that actually is searchable and is actually indexing your content. So don't use those, because you're wasting valuable space that you want to put other niche down hashtags into. Hashtag mistake number 3 I see on TikTok, and that is off-topic hashtags. One of the things that TikTok is doing behind the scenes is they have really intelligent AI that's determining if the hashtags that you're using are actually matching up with what's in the video. If the answer is no, then you're not going to show up as high within the hashtags that are unrelated. That would be considered clickbait, and that just doesn't perform as well as it used to. Hashtag mistake number 4. Using too broad of hashtags. I see people using hashtags with 10 million views, 100 million views, billions of views. Oh my gosh, that is one of the fastest ways to get lost in a hashtag. So what I recommend doing instead is really niching down your hashtags, using hashtags under 10 million, or even better, under 1 million views each. Yes, I know it's a little harder to find those hashtags, but I'm just gonna straight up tell you the payoff for spending some time in hashtag research, which I'm gonna share with you guys a tip for at the very end of this video, is absolutely worth it. Now, important note, because I know some people will not recognize this, these rules that I'm sharing do not hold up for people like Charli D'Amelio or Addison Rae or any of the popular creators on this app. They are outliers, and while they have built such great platforms, I actually have tons of respect for anyone who's built a massive platform. It is a ton of work and a lot of pressure. The hashtag rules that I'm sharing with you guys don't apply to them. Got it? Cool. The next big hashtag mistake I see on TikTok is using trending hashtags. Unless you have content that is directly related to whatever the trending hashtag is, don't use it. Plain and simple, don't use it. People don't want to be bamboozled or clickbaited into watching something just because it's in a trending hashtag. What you want to do is instead create relevant content and don't use those off-topic hashtags or trending hashtags just because they're trending. That's not going to do you any good. The next big mistake that I see with TikTok hashtags is using no hashtags. This is a strategy that you can employ once in a while, but it only works under certain psychological tricks with your videos. And believe it or not, I've tested it quite a bit. There are certain times where you can get it to perform very, very, very well. It is not every video and it is not all the time. So don't skip the hashtags, especially if you're under several million followers on TikTok. And I promised you guys I would share with you a super big and powerful strategy that will help you with finding hashtags. Search for one hashtag in order to find more. What I mean by that is just by searching for a hashtag, TikTok is automatically going to populate the search field with a ton more hashtags that are similar. Or another way to handle it is to go and click into the content from popular creators within a hashtag and see what other hashtags they're using to create your very own hashtag bank. Now, I put together a few powerful resources for you guys beneath this video in the bio, so go ahead and check those out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to like this video, and if you haven't done so yet already, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. Please, place, plural. Okay. Wait, I already said that. Let's try that again. When the space that